friends. Today we are going to discuss about 4-year moving average. This is 5-mark question and there is internal option. Two examples are given, display method and 4-year moving average, from which you have to answer only one. So two questions are in board. You have to answer one, display method and then this. So 4-year moving average. Earlier we have discussed about 3-year moving average. In 3-year we only take 3 items, sum of 3 items and divided by 3. Now 4-year moving average, in this you have to keep one line empty after every one. Keep one line empty. 2012, leave this gap. 2013, keep gap. 2014, you have to keep gap between every two data. Now 4-year, take only 4 items, 8, 9, 10 and 13, and sum of these 4 items you have to write between these 4. So here, so the sum of, so here 2 dash and sum of 4 items, 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 13. The sum of these 4 items is 40. If you divide 40 by 4, then you will get trend between 2013 to 2014. Between 2000 to 2014, there are 365 days gap. So you don't get any answer in term of time. So you have to make another changes in the data. Now please once again keep only 4 data and then take only 1. 3 are gone, now 12. And same way, the sum of these last 4 data, write between these two. So between 14 and 15, 9 plus 10 plus 13 plus 12. Moving total. Leave this 8 on side and then the 3 and 1 new. So the sum of these 4 items is 44. Now you have to take pairwise total. So pairwise total, the total of 40 and 44, that write between these two. So 40 plus 44 is equal to 84. And now divide 84 by 8. Divide 84 by 8 for moving average. 84 by 8 यानी 10 point 10.5. Now same way, go for the 12, then 17, then write the total of these 4 items now. Right between here, so 10 plus 13 plus 12 plus 17. 52. This pairwise total, right between this. So 44 plus 52, 96, and divide 96 by 8. Come 12. Now 17, then 20, and write this last 4 items sum right between this. 13 plus 12 plus 17 plus 20, 62 and the sum of these two pairwise total 52 plus 62 114. And 114 divided by 8 14.25, and the last 23. Write the sum of last four items right between here 12 plus 17 plus 20 plus 23. 72. And the sum of pairwise total 62 plus 72 is equal to 134, and divide 134 by 8. And you don't get any data further, so keep dash in last two. So this is 4-year moving average method. Please understand carefully, look video 1, 2, 3 times and then write this example. Thank you. We will carry on next time.